I have no doubts while stating that the audiophile community has moved on from single-ended sources, and this is a this is one of the rare USB dongles that is with only 4.4 output. There is no single-ended, and DD Hi-Fi makes this interesting kind of USB DAC amps. This one is priced at I think $100, 99 to be precise. It has CS43131 and ES9603 amp. Okay, this is the DAC and this is the amp, and we get very powerful 250 MW output at 32 ohm load. So it is fairly powerful to be precise for the size. We will see now. DD Hi-Fi like to make some usable products. The TC44 Pro didn't had cables, while this one is attached with a cable. It is not with detachable cable, but the power and pricing is fantastic. There's barely any issues when it comes to this kind of stuff because the cable is of very good quality. Sorry. And here it is. It is supposed to be like this actually. Okay, you put it like this. This is supposed to be placed like this, and if we look at it, this is the size of a dongle, USB dongle. TC44 Pro E2. The 44 Pro was slightly smaller. To be precise, it wasn't big enough, while this one is fairly big and looks decent, looks good. This is very similar to what we see with TC07S cable, and the cable looks very durable. We should not have any issues with this. So yeah, uh, this is looking like a very capable USB DAC amp in the budget price range, and this is what this USB DAC amp is all about. Only 4.4 mm. TC44 is only about 4.4 mm, so nothing else. This is the unboxing. There isn't anything else in the box. So this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.